So if you have any ideas for how to get rid of flying dragon fruit, drop it in the comments. Hey, so check this out. These are called flying dragon fruits. See the thorns there? They're all over this property. And I'd love to get rid of them, but I don't know how. Imagine stumbling into those in the dark when you're trying to get to your deer stand. Thorns are like that. They grow a yellow citrus fruit that's really, really tart. We've actually cut some and tried it. Probably be good for like a jelly or a jam or a marmalade. And they are super invasive. Seem like they're everywhere. And I'd like to at least get rid of most of them.